What's up, YouTube? Just bought this Wahl Elite from Target. Actually, I don't want the clipper though. I only want the gauze. Actually, it has all of them, from half and 1.5. Where is 1.5? 1.5. There you go. All the way to 8. And this is what I did. I only want the wire because the wire on my Wahl Senior broke. So I took out from the Elite. Actually, this is the motor from the Wahl Senior. Right there. I took it out, that motor from the Elite. And the wire as well. Yeah, I don't want to cut the wire. So I took out the motor, the whole motor. From there, transfer into the Wahl Senior. It's looking pretty good. But you don't know what you're doing? Don't do it. You're gonna get electrocuted. You're on your own risk. Yeah, this is the actual Wahl Senior with the 3 hole, but I replaced it with a 5-star Legend. It has the wedge blade, but I replaced the bracket so it'll fit. Replace the bracket with the 2 holes. It's working pretty good. Any question? Let me know. And thanks for watching.